And to powder, I'm going to use... It's a Grow one? Oh, it's a serum. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do an e-girl makeup tutorial for the look that was in my TikTok video. I'm pointing over there because I'll be filming the TikTok video at the same time as this. Because I'm strange and I don't want to do the makeup twice. So that's what we're going to do. If you guys have any products you want me to try, just comment them down below or message me on Instagram. Yeah, I'm putting this at the beginning because no one watches to the end, and I always ask for suggestions at the end and nobody watches them to the end. So please, please watch this video. Right, so first off, I did my hair in this cute little half pigtail style. I need to drink. I need to moisturise, so to moisturise I use the Garnier Skin Active Rose Soothing 48 Hour Moisturiser, and I just take a little bit on my hand. I'm having quite a few breakouts right now. Got a spot up here, a spot here, a spot here, a spot here, a spot here, everywhere. So please, just ignore it. I nearly dropped that and I would have been dead. So to prime, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer in Soft Matte. It looks like this. It's super tiny, super mini. So foundation, I'm going to use the Federico, I can't remember, it's Federico Medora Makeup Blur Effect Lifting Foundation. Oh, here we go. And I'm going to just dot it around my face. I'm going to blur this out. I'm using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. And this is a limited edition one. The Miracle Complexion Sponge, that's what it's called. This is limited edition. How cute is this colour? This is so cute. And I'm just going to use it to pat the foundation in. I had colour corrector to put on. It's fine. Oh my god. I'm not even just saying this because my auntie bought it for me. But like, I'm gonna come close to the camera and show you that it literally looks like skin. Like, it's not like cakey or anything, and it doesn't bunch. Which counteracts with the matte primer I put on because I forgot this was a glowy foundation. Yay me. Concealer, I'm going to use my usual concealer, the NYX Born to Glow concealer. I love this one. I feel it doesn't crease under the eyes. It's super good. It's super, super, super good. I love it. Love it. So I'm just going to apply this to my under eyes and like here, like I usually do. In all places I usually would. Apply my concealer here. On the nose, on the chin, a little bit on the forehead. To blend this in, as usual, I'm going to use my little mini blending brush, and I'm just going to lean forward a little bit towards you guys and blend under the eyes. Beautiful. Now I'm going to powder, and to powder I'm going to use the Mercier powder. Yes. And I'm going to use my fluffy brush to dust this off. Dust it away, and there's no little particles left. It's all gone. I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. It looks like this. It's so cute. I'm going to find my bronzer brush now because I still haven't bought one. It still looks like this. Let's see how we go. bottom. Oh. Okay, so now we're going to add blush, and I researched eagles. I remember I did an eagle look ages ago on TikTok. Now there's a lot more edgier eagles kind of thing. It was always quite edgy, but I remember when they used to have loads of blush on their nose and their cheeks, which I do now still. And little hats on the cheeks, so that's what we're going for. I'm going to use the blush that I've been using for the past few videos, which is the BH Cosmetics Floral Blush in Honolulu Hideaway, because it's this beautiful hot pink colour. It's so pretty. Oh, that's a lot of blush. And we're going to try and put it on the tip of our nose. There we go. And on the cheeks. Oh, that's plastic. Oh, cartoon letters. I also think it can be so pretty. I put so much more on camera than I do in person, because I feel like it doesn't show up a great all the time on camera. Oh, there's definitely a lot of blush on there. And we're also, I'm gonna blend that. I'm gonna blend that out a little bit using the Beauty Blender, the sponge thing. Just because this side doesn't look that blended and seems quite harsh compared. There we go. I'm also going to do highlight. So for highlight, we're going to use the Ofra Nikki Tutorials Collab Highlighter in Glazed Donut, which is this nice, pretty white colour. I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones, like here. Both sides. Put it on the very tip of my nose and down the centre. Make sure we're really glowy. Beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to do eyebrows. I just realised I probably haven't been looking at the camera for ages. So brows, I'm going to use the Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm going to use a shade darker than I usually do. This is the shade 4. I usually use a 3. Well, when I had the blonder hair, I used a 3. So we're just going to fill these in. I'm going to try and give them a bit of an arch, because mine do not have an arch. Okay, I'm going to try my best to conceal under here where I've not used my brows, because my brows are usually quite straight. So I'm going to try and block that out. I don't know how that's going to work, because I didn't use the glue trick kind of thing. So I'm going to just use my concealer. Okay, so we're probably going to get the rest of the video having weird, dodgy eyebrows while that fully sets. For the eyes, I have 20 minutes. I like to put myself in a rush. I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Regeneration Trends Mischief Matte palette, and I'm going to take this shade, this pink shade here called Attached, just all over the lid. I'm going to use the shade Ringleader here, and we're going to put this in like the crease-ish area, in the outer part, just to deepen it up a little bit. I am now just going to quickly add some lip balm, because my lips feel really dry and chapped, and we're using matte lips, so I don't Oh no, it's a little really dry and chapped. So we're going to moisture for it over there. Probably should have lip scrubbed them, but I don't have a lip exfoliator. So now we're going to use and try the Ciate London Stamp and Drag eyeliner. I've not used an eyeliner like this before, so we shall see how it goes. My eyes are fairly hooded-ish. I do know that the little eyeliner like sort of comes straight out. I mean, I don't know if that looks right. I'm gonna do a sharp point. Okay, so we've stamped. Now we're gonna use the pen side and like do the liner here. I'm gonna go all the way into the inner corner, which I don't usually do. All the way across. And sort of connect it. I feel like my eyes looks really sad and droopy right now. It's straight out, it's meant to be straight out, it's fine. Don't mess with it, I'm not making myself me, I'm an ego. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot. I was going to use this brow enhancer by Hairburst. I think it's like a brow gel. It might not be. It might be more of a... Oh my god, no, I can't actually use this. It's over in shape. Is this a Grow one? Oh, it's a serum. Oh. Probably should have read that before I put it in my eyebrows. Don't need those to grow. Lashes! So I'm going to use the Unicorn Cosmetics Rebel Smoke Lashes and I'll put them on and do my other eye and I'll be right back. I'm not. I'm going to do the other eye show and then I'll be right back. So both eyes are now done. So we're going to put the lashes on. These are the Unicorn Cosmetic Lashes in Rebel Smoke. I always forget to actually check that it's recording when I click the button once it doesn't record. So I just put the lashes on because I had to nip it out somewhere, but I'm back to finish it this time. Yay! So now we're going to draw the cute little heart on our cheeks, well under the eyes. I'm going to try use the Ciate London one for this. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to like... Okay, so the end of this eyeliner is really dry, so we're not going to use this one. We're going to use a brush one. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner. My little hearts. So I'm going to do the next. I mean, shall we do a little slit in the eyebrow? I think we should, shall we? Yeah. I'm going to try using the Benefit Boing Airbrush Concealer. Okay, I think that actually worked this time. I'm going to use the lip pencil. No, I made no sense. I'm going to use the lip pencil I used in my last video. This is the W7 Lip Twister in Champagne. Gonna pop like pink champagne. I'm going to overline our lips slightly. So I'm going to start underneath. I'm going to fill the whole lip in with this lip colour. Over the top, I'm going to use this mcobeauty lipstick in Flawless. I'm just going to put this like sort of in the centre on top, not like where I lined the lips, kind of, I don't know. I didn't eat that. I'm just going to add some chains and I'll be back. Okay, yes. Very, I feel cool. Okay, so we're going to add this chain. Got this from Nasty Gal. I know it's not exactly like an eagle chain. I mean, it's got cute little dainty bits on, but this is my version of an eagle. So, I'm just going to add this. I'm doing it a bit looser than it should be, just so that there is a little, I mean, should I do it tight? Right, so this top is from H&M, the bodysuit is from In The Style, I think. Don't comment on that. This is from Nasty Gal. Yeah, I really like this. I think I look super cool. I might change this to my new aesthetic, like, I could be a girl, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And leave a comment down below, like I said at the beginning, of any ideas you have of videos that I could do. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I have TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. I have a new Twitter because my other one I got locked out of. My account is completely locked. Not fun. It's attached to my old phone number, so I can't even get onto it, which is super annoying, but it's fine. I also have Snapchat, but I'm really rubbish at using Snapchat, so probably don't follow me on that. Or admin, whatever it's called. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I love you guys. Bye.